Individuals that are best suited to the environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. Their offsprings are going to have inherited variation. Now, inherited variation occurs when an offspring inherits genes from its parents. We also have environmental variation, where environmental changes will cause differences in structure. Now, the genes that allow these individuals to be successful are passed on to their offsprings. This will bring us to the giraffe story. Now, it is believed that there were giraffes with short necks, okay? But it got to a point where the trees were growing very, very high. So only giraffes with long necks had access to the food. Trees were growing very tall. Only giraffes with long necks had access to the food. The giraffes with shorter necks were not well suited or well adapted to their surroundings. Therefore, they died off. As they died off, the ones with the long necks decided to also reproduce and then pass on their genes to their offsprings. So with time, the giraffes with the shorter necks died off. And then we're left with giraffes with longer necks. The reason is because they had access to food. That is why we now have giraffes with longer necks. That is according to evolution. So the organisms that are not best adapted die off, and the organisms that are best adapted survive.